sin ax plus cos ax and mod sin x plus mod cos x are periodic functions with the same fundamental period. If a is equal to, so sin ax plus cos ax, so let me take this as your f of x, okay, and this sin c plus sin ax plus cos x, this type of questions we can just simplify by multiplying and dividing with root 2. Take root 2 outside and 1 by root 2 sin ax plus 1 by root 2 cos x, or this can also be written cos pi by 4 into sin ax plus sin pi by 4 into cos ax. This is the formula we can take, sin of ax plus pi by 4. Sin a plus b formula we can use it, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is in the form of f of ax plus b, and we know if the period of the function f of x is p, if the period of the function f of x is p, then the period of the function f of ax plus b is nothing but p divided by mod a. So this is the period definition, so we can use this, and in this case therefore the period of f of x is equal to p. Means what is the period of sin x period is 2 pi, so we can go with the 2 pi upon mod a. Right, we can go with the 2 pi upon mod a. And the next case, so keep it aside one, and coming to the second one, let g of x is equal to another function we take, g of x is equal to mod sin x plus mod cos x, and we know the period of mod sin x means fundamental period of mod sin x is pi, and mod cos x is pi, but the period of mod sin x plus mod cos x is equal to LCM of mod sin x and mod cos x, that is pi and pi. It can be this answer, LCM of this answer, or it can be submultiple of the LCM, or it can be submultiples. In some cases we won't get, we can get either in the submultiples also, that you have to remember. This is a star mark. You can keep submultiples of LCM of these two functions, pi and pi. So what is general LCM of pi and pi? Will be pi, but submultiples of pi, if I can take half of the pi, so that is pi by 2. See what is actually the period constant, f of pi x plus pi by 2. So here it is g of x I consider. So g of x plus pi by 2 will be equal to sin of x plus pi by 2 mod plus cos of x plus pi by 2. So this is a sin is nothing but cos, sin of x pi by 2 plus x is cos x, and here cos of 90 plus x or pi by 2 plus x will be sin x. So this is same as g of x only, and pi by 2, so that we can say pi by 2 is, which is a submultiple of pi, and hence we can say the period of, therefore period of g of x is pi by 2. Period of f of x is 2 pi upon a, and period of g of x is pi by 2. Since it is given in the problem, period of f of x is equal to period of g of x, both the functions having the same period. So period of g of x, that is 2 pi upon a mod a is equal to, so pi divided by 2, just doing cross multiplication we can go with the mod a is equal to 4, or a is equal to positive number, you can consider 4. So among these options, fourth one, this pi is, a value is 4. Okay.